Guys, it is currently 7:33 and it is a Sunday morning, and I'm deciding to fix my schedule today. And I realized that I am waking up too late. I'm waking up with my son and I need to stop it because I need to get my schedule and be self-disciplined to wake up before him like I was a week and a half ago. So I usually wake up at 4 in the morning, but we are gonna start off a little light, and we woke up at 7:15 this morning. It is already 7:30 like I said, and I'm about to go to the gym. I didn't go in the past 2 days, and that is because I didn't feel like it. And so I'm forcing myself to go today because I did miss 2 workouts already, and so I'm gonna do one of the workouts and kind of incorporate some that I missed on the second workout. But anyways, we're about to go to the gym right now, and I have a whole schedule planned out for today to fix my schedule and to have a productive day today. So let's go to the gym. I didn't realize that today my friend invited me to her daughter's little small birthday party. And so today's gonna be very busy because we have church, and then I also have Bible study. So in between that, I do plan on cleaning a little bit and then going to Ross, and then heading to my friend's daughter's birthday party, and then head to Bible study from there with Ethan. Right now he is with his dad, and so that's why I'm able to come to the gym on Sunday. Usually I don't come to the gym on Sunday because they don't have childcare, and so we're gonna do that. It is 7:54 and I'm gonna wait probably like 3 more minutes and then go head to the gym because there are people waiting and just standing there, and that's kind of awkward. So we're gonna just stay in my car. It is 8:58 and I wasn't able to do all of the workout that I wanted to do. I was supposed to do, well, I decided to do 2 workouts in one, but it was just way too much. But I'm about to go get gas, and while I was in the gym, I decided that today I'm gonna be fasting. So yes, I drink my tea, and I'll be drinking liquids as far as tea and maybe a coffee, and then I will eat later tonight. And that is because I have been eating pretty bad lately, and I think that's why my schedule has been so off. And honestly, I've just been feeling off. Everything's been off, and so that is what I'm planning to do, is to fast until later today. So this isn't on the schedule, but I'm about to make Ethan some breakfast. But since I am fasting, I actually don't typically eat breakfast. I'm doing a longer fast today just because my stomach and my gut feels disgusting right now. But anyways, I put some waffles to toast for Ethan and my dad, and then I'm actually gonna make breakfast for my dad too. And I'm getting the eggs. So I'm gonna cook some eggs and then some bacon. We are a little past schedule. It is 9:38. I just made breakfast for Ethan and my dad, and I also still have my tea. I'm gonna bring it upstairs. Right now it's a flexible schedule, like I don't have to be super on top of the schedule, but I am looking at the time to be aware. We just have to leave the house by 11:30 to be at church by 12. Yeah, so I got gas, got shower. Let me just check off the things that I already did.
Hey!
What? There's no cream?
No.
Get another one. Is it delicious?
Yes.
Hey friends, so I just got ready. I did my hair a bit, I curled some of it, and I did my makeup.
Mommy!
Here's my little guy. You want to say hi?
Not the sound and phone.
Okay, go show them. Put it up like this. Tell them about it. I'll record you. Go.
I made a party for all my cars, and they brought these cars up there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's so awesome, huh?
Yeah, when they come back, I'm going to clean up this mess.
Yeah, when you come back from church?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to be super fast.
Really?
Yeah. Like Sonic and like Flash. And that they are fast.
Okay, I'm gonna finish recording, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
Alright guys, so it is currently 10:46. We are still running behind, but that's fine because I do have some time.
5 more minutes.
Okay, 5 more minutes. We are leaving at 11:30, and so I'm gonna quickly clean the bathroom before I dress Ethan. And I want to clean right now just because I kind of feel motivated to clean a little bit. So what I am gonna do is clean this mess up. It isn't the best, and I do have to like organize my feminine stuff, take that trash out, and you know the deal. But first I do have to empty out my clean clothes out of my hamper.
Hey!
Sorry, I'm just going over it. So I'm gonna clean this out. I'm gonna throw it on my bed, which I'm making a bigger mess, and then put all of the dirty clothes in here. As I organize these clothes to throw in the washer, I did want to explain a little bit about our situation for today. So I do plan on cleaning for maybe about an hour or so. That is on the schedule. I just want to clean a little bit before then, just so I can like have it started up. And it's crazy because earlier I did not want to wake up, I did not want to go to the gym, and I did not want to record this video. But now, since I am dressed and getting things going, I feel like I want to tackle everything right now. Like, I do want to fold the laundry, I do want to finish cleaning up, and I just want to do it all right now instead of later. But we're just going to do a little bit for now, and hopefully I won't be too tired later, and I have to force myself to get up and not lay in the bed when we get back from church. And that is where I go wrong sometimes. I'm just like, oh, let me take a little nap, it'll be fine. Girlfriend, it won't be fine. So there is all the clothes. I may or may not put a load before we leave, and I'm just gonna organize a little bit in here and show you guys the after. This is the current bathroom situation. So everything is pretty clean. I took the trash out, I cleaned the sink top, the mirrors, I sprayed down the shower, Mommy, and I cleaned the toilet.
Clean up this?
Why did I clean it up? Because I wanted to.
clean this up.
Oh yeah, I do have to clean this up. I do have to sweep the floors. They are pretty dirty and dusty. So that's the last thing that I have to do in here. And then I'm going to throw the clothes in the wash when we get back from church. And the current situation with the room looks like this.
Look it.
It is a huge mess. And that's Ethan's little concoction of cars.
Yeah,
Right.
I love cars.
You love cars?
I love this one. I'm clean 2, 1, and 3.
Wow. There's the trash, and I'm going to keep this in here for now because I know there's going to be a lot of things that I might have to throw away, like papers or just random trash in the room. Here is another view of the current situation of my room, Ethan's room / workspace, and the closet with all of my work supplies, inventory, clothes, more clothes, and like supplies. Some of this stuff is Christmas stuff, so I'm just gonna focus on like folding.
Mommy,
and
you play with the cutter.
okay, and just stuff that is going to keep me sane, because with the messy room means a messy mind. So that's Ethan's outfit for today. This is my outfit. I did change, so I'm just wearing black jeans and then a black long sleeve top. I am wearing a undersleeve or undershirt. Rock and roll and Ethan dance. Rock and roll and Ethan dance. And dance, 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 and dance, 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 and dance, dance. I love you. You're what?
I'm a grown up.
You're a grown up. All right, let's go. Sit in your seat, please.
I'm going to push that button.
Guys, I don't know why I feel so hungry, but I did break the fast. I ate 5 small pieces of bacon, and I know if I don't eat now, I'm going to crave something and eat it later. So I bought me a bananas and an apple. Ethan also has apples and some oranges to eat on the way to church. Say cheese. We're taking Ethan to children's church. We did praise and worship. See you. Bye. You wanna go this way?
Yeah.
We're gonna get some Little Caesars pizza. Hey guys, so it is 2:32. We got out late from church, and right now we bought some pizza, as you saw earlier in the last clip. But anyways, we are headed home and we're gonna eat in the car on the way home. Guys, I'm eating so bad today.
Oh,
It could be worse though. Guys, I'm exhausted. I said I wasn't gonna take a nap, but I'm gonna take one. I wasn't able to clean, so right now it's about to be 3:15. Well, it is 3:15.
And it's somebody's birthday party.
And yeah, we are going to a birthday party a little later. So
Yeah, after we sleep.
after we do take a nap. So I'm gonna try to take a nap right now. It's 3:15 and try to wake up at 4. That's what I'm setting my alarm to. And then Ethan, I'm gonna hopefully have him sleep longer so I can clean a little bit before we leave. So with that being said, I hope I have a good nap and I will see you guys soon. So I kind of failed today on my schedule. It is 5 o'clock right now. I ended up going to sleep from my nap at almost 4 o'clock. And so when my alarm went off at 4:15, I snoozed it. And Ethan was watching on my phone.
The sun moved.
The sun did move, huh? It's going down.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I woke up at 4:38. We're about to go pick up my friend's daughter's birthday gift. And then, where are we going after that? We're gonna go to her birthday party. So, I did mess up a little bit. I didn't clean up, and that's okay. So this guy wants to drive his car a bit before we leave. Hurry up, there's a truck coming. So, he's gonna ride his car for a bit. This little boy is taking forever. So we're recording him. Let's go. Come down.
She's a big girl.
She is a big girl. This is kind of cute.
No, I think this is too big girl.
This is a crop top. This little boy wants to buy the whole store. He keeps asking for all the toys he sees.
Yeah.
What are you getting?
A toy.
No, what is that? Show them.
Kinetic sand. And this is an egg.
Kinetic sand, and that's an egg.
Yeah. The chocolate and toy in there.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm going to see which toy is in there.
Hey guys, so quick update. We didn't end up going to the party. My friend's daughter's birthday got canceled because she gave birth today, and so it was, you know, unexpected. So I ended up driving back home, and Ethan fell asleep on the way, as I knew he would because he didn't nap today. Once we got in, I just put him on the recliner, which he's sleeping there right now, and I cooked some food. I cooked some salmon, cut up some onions and tomatoes, and I mixed some salt and some soy sauce in it, and it's fire with salmon and rice. And then I did open a can of sardines for myself, and so it kind of looks messy, but it is so good. So this is the sardines, and it comes with like a tomato sauce, the tomatoes and onions, and then the piece of salmon with rice, and I just eat it mixed up, honestly. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'm just pretty much gonna settle down, and hopefully I can clean up tomorrow because that was on the list today, and wake up early again as I did today. I want to clean up because I feel like that is what's kind of making me feel like a little groggy. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.